An arithmetic sequence has an identifiable first term and a common difference between each consecutive term. So when we look at V1.1, we can see in the first instance there's a common difference of 2. In the second instance, there's a common difference of 5. In the third instance, however, we go adding 4 to get 4 to 8, and adding 8 to get 16 and 16. It's almost like a doubling. That's not the case. It's not an AP, an arithmetic sequence. And the next one, common difference of negative 50. The first term here is going to be 3. The common difference is a difference of 6 between each of the consecutive terms. So D is equal to 6. When we give the sequence rule, we write it in the following form. As we've already done a unit on algebra, it will look a lot neater if we are to expand this and write it in terms of n and a number. Once we've got that, we can then generate the next 3 terms, either using the equation or a bit of common sense. So if we've got 3, 9, 15, 21, then adding 6, we can add the next 3 terms in, or include the next 3 terms in readily. Now if I'm to generate or produce the 15th term, it's best to use the equation. So 87 is my 15th term. In this instance, A, the first term is pretty clearly 5. The difference, I seem to be subtracting negative 2.5. So my difference, common difference, is negative 2.5. Writing the sequence rule down for any term. So 7.5, take 2.5 n. Try to make sure that you do the expansion put in terms of n. It'll help us when we come to working on our spreadsheeting later on. To generate the next 3 terms, I'll write down what we've already got. Taking 2.5 from that. However, when it comes to the 21st term, we're best off to use the equation. And doing the expansion there, we'll end up with negative 45. In the first diagram, I've got 4 dots. In the next one, I've got a total of 8. In the third one, I've got 12. So the next 2 stages will be from 4 to 8 to 12 to 16 to 20. I'll leave you to draw the diagrams there. So if I'm to detail the first 6 terms of the arithmetical sequence here, my first term is 4. My common difference is equal to 4 as well. If I'm to find the rule, t to the n, a plus n minus 1 lots of d. And in this instance, that will come down to be just Tn is equal to 4n. The 20th term then, will be 80 dots. Fortunately, we don't have to draw that one.